I want to talk to you tonight about changing the batteries in the Bodyguard 380. Every once in a while, the batteries go out. Mine lasted a long time, probably a couple years almost. But I needed to change them out because they're getting icky, and I was worried about corrosion. So, first thing you gotta do is tear it down. So we lock the Bodyguard to the back, flip this around. Hopefully you can take it out. Maybe you need something to help you out, maybe you don't. This one came out alright. It is probably one of the worst guns I have to tear down, minus the 1911. Bottom half, top half, don't need to mess with the top half tonight. Now if you're looking inside here, maybe we can see this alright. There's a little tiny screw right there. And it is an Allen head .035. It is the smallest I've ever worked with. I had to go to Amazon to get a new set of Allen head wrenches. About $8. I'll put the link in the description below. Tiny, holy crap, tiny. So there's a trick to getting this out. Be very careful to not mess up your tool or your screw. Both are very fragile. I've read in many boards that the screw doesn't always survive this process. Now the screw won't come all the way out. It's kind of locked in there a little bit, which is handy for us because it's also our heel for leveraging it out of there. Might have to do this upside down, but you take this and use it as a little tool. Get it locked in underneath there. If you can see that. See how I got locked on? Okay, just tilt it back, it'll go. Tilt it up and out. But okay, there's your two batteries. Now, the kind of batteries you're going to need are called LR44s. I got a 20 pack from Amazon. It was like $9 shipped, which is basically a lifetime supply. Probably don't need that many, but it's more expensive to get fewer than it was to get 20. Just pull them right out. Pretty easy. Put new ones in. And looks like we are back in business. Okay. Very small. Try to make sure the screw is out as much as it can be. And it's going to go back into that little hole. It does take a little bit of effort to get correct, and do not over tighten it. Just straight up and down. Only a couple pounds of torque and you're done. Okay, put it back together. It's actually harder to take apart than it is to put together, but when you're putting it together you can easily get your finger pinched. Pull it back just a little ways. Put that in there. You'll see a little bit of spring. Just put the spring down. Now that you got it in there halfway, take that back, tilt this around so it'll snap in. Hopefully it'll snap in real nice and easy. And then, just in case. Alright. So, we're in business. Thanks for watching.